California is experiencing the effects of a climate crisis, and we all must do our part. Everyone in California is being called upon to help slow climate change. In a massive and unprecedented effort to slow climate change, in 2020, the state finalized waste sorting laws under Senate Bill 1383, short-lived climate pollutants, that aim to reduce methane gas, a climate pollutant 84 times more potent than carbon dioxide, and air pollutants that contribute to health conditions like asthma. Half of what Californians send to landfills is organic waste, which creates 20% of the state's methane emissions as it slowly decomposes. Your actions make a difference. Sorting your waste into the correct bin can have an impact on the climate crisis. The SB 1383 regulations are statewide laws that will affect nearly all businesses in California, not just those in Davis. Fortunately for Davis, recycling and organic waste collection has been mandatory since 2016. However, the specific details in the state law that ensure recyclables and organic wastes are sorted correctly and kept out of the trash are new for Davis. There are 4 main elements of the new law that businesses in Davis must implement. All businesses need to either have recycling and organic waste collection service or self-haul their own recyclables and organic waste. Recology Davis provides recycling and organic waste collection service in Davis. Businesses must ensure that their Recology Davis service is sufficient to collect all recyclables and organic wastes generated. This includes making sure that they have enough paper recycling carts, glass, plastic, and metals recycling carts, and organic waste carts, as well as a way to collect cardboard for recycling. A business may either get a cardboard recycling bin from Recology, or have a place in or near their waste enclosure that is clearly marked for cardboard to be placed for pickup. Remember that Recology Davis offers unlimited recycling collection service at no additional cost to customers. Recology Waste Collection Service also comes with 1 free organic waste cart that is emptied weekly. Additional organic waste carts or more frequent service is available for an additional fee. If a business chooses to self-haul their recyclables and/or their organic wastes, they must submit a self-haul request form to the city, indicate how they will keep their recyclables and organic wastes out of the landfill, and keep records that show how much recycling and organic waste was hauled and where it was hauled to. These records must show that the materials were not landfilled. In addition, some businesses, such as grocery stores, food service providers, food distributors, and wholesale food vendors, will be required to recover excess edible food to be redirected to people in need. Businesses must ensure that employees, contractors, and tenants have access to an adequate number, size, and location of recycling and organic waste containers. Adequate means that all recyclable and organic wastes can be collected. Businesses must also ensure that recycling and organic waste bins are placed next to all trash bins provided for customer use, except in restrooms. Restrooms with paper towels must have an organics bin. All waste bins must be either color-coded or clearly labeled. Color-coded bins must have either the lid or the body of the waste bin be a particular color. Trash bins must be gray or black, recycling bins must be blue, and organic waste bins must be green. For a bin to be considered clearly labeled, it must have a label that shows which materials can and cannot go inside. Businesses do not need to replace existing containers until they are no longer functional or until January 2036, whichever comes first. On an annual basis, businesses must provide information to all employees, contractors, and tenants on waste diversion requirements and how to properly sort recyclables and organic waste into the correct bins. Businesses are also required to provide information to new tenants, whether they are commercial or residential tenants, about the requirements to sort waste properly within 14 days of occupation. And lastly, businesses are required to prohibit employees from placing organic waste and recyclables into the wrong bins. In order to ensure that waste is being sorted properly, businesses need to inspect their trash, recycling, and organic waste bins for contamination once each quarter. If the bins are found to be contaminated, businesses need to remind employees about how to sort waste properly. Sorting waste properly is one of the most cost-effective and simplest things that everyone can do to help slow climate change. Thank you for helping us make a difference. For more information on the new SB 1383 regulations, please visit davisrecycling.org.